How to split a PDF into separate JPG image. Open Adobe Illustrator. Press Ctrl plus O on your keyboard and open the PDF file. Select all pages. Then click OK. Now go to the File menu. Choose Export and click Export as. Set the file type JPG. Select all artboards and click Export. Choose the RGB color model. Click OK button. As you can see, all PDF pages are now saved as separate JPG image. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Illustrator tips.